me Susmita Shrestha. Today I'll present my reflective learning journey in international marketing and digital media. I'll share key insights from the two assessments, the J-Spear Kiwifruit case, which gave me a deeper understanding of global marketing forces, and the Aroha Blue Natural e-commerce plan, where I apply those insights in practice. Through the reflections, I will highlight how my knowledge, skill, and independence as a learner have grown. In first slide, expanded understanding of international marketing and digital media. Initially, my understanding of international marketing was limited to basic concepts like the 4P segmentations and entry modes. Assessment 1, based on J-Spear, helped me see how global mega trends shape marketing, such as platform monopolies, climate and sustainability policies like CBAM, and digital transformations. I realized that marketing is not just about promotions but also about insight, transformations with regulations, sustainability, and consumer expectations. In assessment 2 with Aroha Glow, I apply this insight by building an authentic and values-driven based story. I learned that digital media plays a crucial role in compliance, transparency, and trust building, not only in advertising. Slide 3, development of academic skills. This course also helped me strengthen my academic analytical skills. In assessment 1, I analyzed J-Spear's strategy beyond surface level promotion, connections then to trade laws, CBAM, and data sovereignty. I moved from description to critical evaluation. In assessment 2, I apply structure models like PES, TLE, and the 7th PS to evaluate market in the USA, UK, France, and Australia, while also developing consumer persons. This shows me how theory and practice connect, and it improves my ability to make research, informed, and strategic decisions. In slide 4, self-direct learning. Another key parts of learning was becoming more self-directed. In assessment 1, I researched advanced topics such as CBM, digital sovereignty, and platform monopolies, often using policy papers, industry reports, and scholarly articles beyond the syllabus. In assessment 2, I explore global beauty industry trends like free and carbon natural seating using sources like Stata and Mentor. This independent research built my initiative and confidence as I learned to engage with unfamiliar but important topics, developing stronger problem-solving and evaluation skills. And slide 5, research and digital media skills. My research and digital media skills are also developed significantly from assessment 1. I manage a large volume of information with cloud tools and ensuring APA 7 referencing. For assignment 2, I combine quantitative and qualitative data like market size with qualitative insight from blogs and consumer behavior. I use spreadsheets and mapping tools from comparisons and digital tools like SEO, Canva, Instagram, and Google Analytics to design marketing strategy. This skill helped me to organize, analyze, and apply information strategically, both academically and practically. In conclusion, personal and professional growth. In conclusion, both assignments shaped my growth as a student and future professional. Assignment 1 with J-Spear gave me theoretical insight into trade, sustainability, and digital transformations. In assignment 2 with Aroha Glow lets me apply those insights in practice through a global e-commerce strategy. Overall, I gained critical thinking, academic research, self-directed learning, digital media literacy, and strategic decision-making skills. This will be valuable for both my future studies and career in international marketing and digital media. Thank you.